Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to apply an employment visa or you can say a work visa for Uruguay. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I'm an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. All right guys, so let's proceed. So guys, whenever it comes to apply any kind of visa for any country, the very first thing we should check is that do you really need a visa? Because based on our nationality, duration, purpose, and even based on other visas that we have, we may or may not actually need a visa. And when you check these requirements and process, always check as per the official entity of your destination country that governs your residential area. Because based on your residential area, there could be additional document steps, sometimes even fee too. For example, if you're an Indian citizen, so for you, I have opened the embassy of Uruguay in India, and they have a consular services and they have a visa services. So the visa services, the very first point is there is no visa fee for Indian citizens. Wow. For citizens of nearby countries, Nepal, Maldives, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, and Bhutan, there is a visa fee of US $54. Okay, fine. Now coming to the section of employment visa, work visa, you can say. So this is for the people, those who want to work there. Okay. The validity of the visa is 30 days with single entry from the date of entry to the country in which the applicant may apply for residency in Uruguay. So you'll get 30 days visa, you go there and apply for residency based on the work you're gonna do. Okay. So now checking the documents that we need. So the first uh, is like visa application form, recent passport size photograph, valid passport in good condition with at least 6 months of validity at the time of leaving Uruguayan territory. So they will ask how long you're gonna stay and based on that. Photocopy of the passport, one letter of promise of work intended by a company of institution duly registered in Uruguay, like a registered company in Uruguay who you're gonna work for. I mean, job offer provider in accordance with the national legislation in force. Of course, they have to meet their own requirements. It must include the company's data information on the business activity, number of registration in there, as well as personal data and signature of the legal representative of the country. Photocopy of the identity document of the reference in Uruguay. Of course, like this, you can get from your company, this last two. I mean, your job offer that you have. Okay. How you're going to apply? So you're going to apply in the consular section. They have given the address, email, phone number, and also the timing when they are available. Now they may ask you for an interview if they want. Okay. When you go there, okay. And if they want, they can even ask additional documents. So all these are clear. If you're an Indian citizen, don't worry about the fee. Now visa form, it's fillable. So date of application when you're applying, first name, last name, make sure everything matches with your passport. Place of birth, city and country, it will be written in your passport. Date of birth, nationality, your address, passport number. This address does not need to be your passport address. Passport expiration date, your profession. If you're a student, you'll write student. Company where you work, write down the employer where you are currently working. And if you're a student, write down like where you're studying. Position held, marital status, the spouse full name if applicable, date of the trip when you are going, reason for your trip to Uruguay. If you're going for work, write work. Reference in Uruguay, so definitely you can use your company's representative details, address, whatever it is, phone number, link to the country of visa applications for you because you're applying in India, so it's your country of citizenship, so you can write citizen. Previous visas to Uruguay, if yes or no, then provide the details. Your signature here. Sign it, print it out, okay? And then you can go there and apply. So that is how it works, guys. And if granted, you're all good to go. So thanks for watching this video, guys, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.